Hello friends, today we'll do a quick unboxing of TP-Link 5port desktop switch. So this is a gigabit switch. Let me unbox this. So the model number is TL-SG1005D. Typical switch gigabit. So you usually connect a switch to a router and you can have additional 4 devices connected to the switch. So this model supports 15K jumbo frames for larger data transfers. You need to configure that basically though. It's a pretty small, good device. Let me unbox this box as well. Standard packaging here and the installation guide. For switch we don't have to refer the installation guide, but yeah, so let me talk about this as well. So typically a switch will connect to your router, so your internet will come to your WAN port on the router, and so see, the net is connected to the WAN port, and then you take one of the LAN ports on the router and connect it to your switch. So now a router doesn't have, those are usually 100 Mbps LAN ports, so you don't get a gigabit speed. 100 Mbps will give you a transfer speed of around 11 megabits per second. And if you want to have a faster connection among the devices, you can connect them to the Ethernet cable on the switch. So all this, the rest of those 4 devices will be able to talk with each other at a gigabit speed. So usually you can get something about 90 Mbps megabytes per second transfer speeds. And if there are other devices connected to your router through Wi-Fi, then those will be talking at the Wi-Fi speeds. So this is the typical configuration of a switch with a router. It's an essential device if you want to have a faster data transfers between the devices. One downside is you have to connect it all through a LAN cables. A Cat6 cable is what will be preferred here. It's good. They have given a diagram, these things. Nothing much to talk about a switch. So here is our switch. Pretty small, handy, nice shiny device. Good. All the ports. So let me take this off. So 5-port, 1 power adapter. So you have the holes to hang it as well. Good. Quality is good. Typical product. Nice, cheap. Here is a power adapter, Indian power adapter. Yeah, and it's good. So it's 0.6 amperes, 9 volts. Nice power adapter, standard cable. Good. This lasts longer. I mean, many years, no doubt. And here is it. Let's remove this plastic. This is good. It's not fingerprint magnet, so that's good thing about it. I'll still prefer to keep this plastic. There are no vents as such. This doesn't heat up, so doesn't require it. Nice product. Good. So this was the quick unboxing of this 5-port gigabit switch. Thanks for watching. Bye. Good day.